Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Oukitel OT11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. And you can close this ad. Now click on allow and click consent. Then you can click on this button to start VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.